Hello guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo ngayon kung paano ilipat si patient mula dun sa kanyang kinaupuan, papunta rito sa kanyang wheelchair gamit ang lifter. Okay? Ang una natin kailangan ma-set up sa katawan ni patient ay itong sling. For me, I call it sling. Ito yung magbibit-bit kay patient later para ma-transfer natin siya dito or sa wheelchair or kung saan man natin siya gustong dalhin, either sa bed, chair, wheelchair, etc. Okay? So ito ang inside part, which is the smooth surface. Ito ang dapat nagta-touch dun sa skin ni patient to avoid the skin rashes, and you're providing comfortability to your patient while lifting her or transferring her. Okay? And this is the exterior side, which is nakikita nyo na meron siyang handle for you to grab later, especially for in any case, emergency. Okay? And one more thing to note, the very important one, kapag na-set up na natin to sa katawan ni patient, ito yung mapupunta sa leg part, sa kanyang leg. Okay? Ito, kailangan ma-cross nyo ito. Set up nyo to ng pa-cross. May hole yan, left and right. Either you do it from the other side, either way. Okay? What is important is that you do a cross technique. Okay? Why? By doing that, you simply lock the leg part. Okay? To prevent our patient from falling. So, it is very important to note. Okay? So, let's do it. I hope you can see me from there. I don't have enough, a wider space, Okay. Shalom, Pili. First, you release the brake of the lifter, and then you need to widen the range of the legs. Okay? Be careful to mag-ingat tayo na ito ay hindi tumama sa mata ni patient. Nakita nyo guys? All set si patient. All set si patient mula doon sa kanyang upuan papunta dito sa wheelchair as we intended to do. Okay? Patuloy nyo akong subaybayan, lalo na sa mga kapwa ko caregivers at sa mga naghahangad pa, sana matsambahan nyo ako dito sa aking channel, sa YouTube, Rema Barra, subscribe. Hindi ako eksperto, pero kahit papano may alam tayo, pwede kong ibahagi ang aking nalalaman.